Hello, I am King Cobra and welcome to our channel. Heading tags. Any document starts with a heading. You can use different sizes for your headings. HTML also has 6 levels of headings, which use the elements H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. While displaying any heading, browser adds one line before and one line after that heading. Example: HTML. Head. Title heading. Example: title /head. Body. H1 this is heading 1/H1. H2 this is heading 2/H2. This is heading 3/H3. H4 this is heading 4/H4. H5 this is heading 5/H5. H6 this is heading 6/H6. /body /HTML. This will produce the following result.